children, today let's do a very interesting octopus craft. For this we would need one white paper. We can take an orange or red paper, crayons, glue, scissor and pencil eraser and sharpener. So let's start. So first of all, on the red paper, let's draw the octopus. We need to draw a circle for the face, so we can just trace using something. A perfect circle. We'll just do that in the corner so that we can just use remaining paper afterwards. Let's make sure the circle is not too small, just like a bangle. It's a bit bigger in size. So now we can just cut this. Let's be careful with the scissors. So the head cutout is ready. Now let's draw the tentacles of the octopus. So let's do the measurement and let's draw lines first and then we can cut it. So we can just take it some around 1 centimeter. So let's first label it. Similarly, this side also we will do the labeling. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So let's just draw the lines here now. Now carefully let's cut out these stripes of paper. Now children, our tentacles are ready too. On one side of these stripes, let's draw white dots. So at regular interval, we will draw these dots on all of the stripes that are the tentacles of our octopus. One by one, we will do it. I'm using crayons for this. If you want, you can use oil pastel as well. So these are the tentacles. Now let's draw the face. So here we can use the googly eyes, or we can just draw the eyes as well as we wish. Let's create the eyes. If we don't have the googly eyes, we can use paper cutouts too to create the eyes and stick, or we can just draw it as well. Now next, let's draw the lips. We can simply create the mouth. Now in next step, we will just apply glue in the middle and not all over, because we need to stick the tentacles at the round side. We don't need to stick it entirely on the paper, but just in the middle I have applied the glue, and in the middle of our A4 size sheet we will stick it somewhere like this. We will press it firmly and we will let it dry for some time. After that, we will stick all these tentacles. So let's just start from both the sides. We'll just align this first, and after that we will start sticking. So we can just do like this: 2, 3, 4, 5. The dotted part will go downwards, so we need to just keep it backwards, because we will roll it up so it will be visible from the down side. So let's just flip it. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I think these are enough. We'll just leave this one. Now we must make sure that this two, because we have started from here, so these two should go in a straight line. Now let's start sticking one by one. So I'll just apply glue on both the sides of this stripe like this. Very little glue I have applied, and I'll just stick it like this. 1. Next I'll just do this one. 2. 3. 4. So this is simple. We are just putting it in the middle. Now in these middles we will have put the tentacles. Now children, all these tentacles will just roll it using something circular, maybe this glue or the Fevy stick or something. We can just use like this, and we just need to roll it around. It's very simple. So I've just rolled it like this. I'll press it little and then I'll remove this. We can also do it handily with the hand. So you can see I'm just rolling it upwards. I'll just press for a while and then I'll leave it. So you see it becomes a rolled. It becomes rolled. Becomes like a loop. So again here I'm using this Fevy stick tube to roll it again. I'll just press it firmly for some time and then I will take it out. Similarly, we will do all of them. And the last one. Now we can also just roll it with our hand if we feel it's not a perfect loop. We can just roll and press for some time and then leave it so it becomes a better loop. So this is almost ready now. Now let's just do some drawing in the background. Here I'll just add some pink in the mouth or maybe white something. Now in the background I'll just add some seaweeds at the bottom. I'm using crayons. Any other medium is also fine, like markers or pencil colors. Also, I'll add some waves, water waves around. So we can just draw these wavy lines using glue. Also, if we wish, we can draw some fishes. So children, you can see this octopus craft is ready, where we have used a circle shape for the face, some stripes for the tentacles, and we have drawn some background beads and fishes and waves. I hope you have enjoyed doing this craft with me. We will meet again with more interesting art and craft activities. Till then, bye bye.